Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Would you like to share a landing page with complete details about your business with your Instagram followers automatically? In this video, I will show you the most effective chatbot for Instagram, one you can use to automatically send links via DMs for your business account. Let's go. If you're looking for the best tool to engage with your customers, qualify leads, and boost sales more effectively with automated conversations, I've found the perfect solution. I have personally tested it, and it's incredibly effective. This program lets you automate responses to your Instagram posts and reels, saving you the hassle of manually replying to every comment or DM. Instagram may be your primary focus for now, but this tool can also connect to other social media apps, including TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Are you ready to try it? You can click my link below to unlock an exclusive offer to connect with 1,000 contacts for free. The first step is to connect your Instagram account with the online tool. If you have already signed up before but skipped connecting your IG account, feel free to jump ahead to the timestamp where I explain how to connect it. Otherwise, here's what you need to do. From the homepage, click Get Started in the upper right corner and choose Instagram from the list of channels. You can easily sign up using your Google or Facebook account by following the provided prompts. After signing up, click the Go to Instagram button and log in with your account to set up the necessary permissions required by the tool. Remember, this requires a professional Instagram account, either creator or business. You'll need to switch your account type before continuing if it isn't set correctly. Do you already have an account but haven't connected your Instagram yet? Head over to the My Profile configuration page. Click Manage Accounts. Hit Add New Account. And select Instagram to start the connection process. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions when prompted to avoid any issues later on. This tool comes with ready-to-use templates, meaning you don't have to set up every automation from scratch. Navigate to the Automation tab on the left sidebar. Click New Automation and explore the list of ready-to-go templates you can use. There are many options, including creating auto DM links from comments, automatically sending replies to DMs, replying to everyone who comments on your Instagram posts and reels, and so much more. Let's test this out with the most popular template, auto DM links from comments. Yes, the template is designed to send a link, but you can customize it to send any content. Select the Instagram post or reel for which you want to automate responses. You can also set automations for future posts or reels with the Pro version. Next, define specific keywords or phrases that trigger automated responses. Feel free to add as many keywords as you like. Just separate the words with commas. Customize the opening DM provided in the template to better engage your followers. Add a button label so users can confirm and proceed with the message. For my own project, I'm promoting a local tour, so I'm labeling it Send the Guide. Configure the follow-up DM and include a link or other content. Click Add a Link. Enter a button label and paste the URL. Note that you can preview what the entire conversation will look like on Instagram in the window on the right. When everything is ready, click Set Live to integrate the automation into your selected Instagram posts and reels. Let's test this out and comment on the selected Instagram post. To trigger the auto response, I'll use the keyword how in my comment. As expected, I instantly received the opening DM and the automation worked perfectly. The auto DM template already provides the basic automated sequence you'll need. But if you want to personalize yours from scratch, just click Start from Scratch. Give your automation a descriptive title from the top menu. Next, select the trigger that will start your automation. This includes when a user comments on your post, replies to your story, or sends you a direct message. The setup process is similar to the template. Define the Instagram post, set the keywords, and write the automated responses based on interactions. And when everything is set up, click Set Live to activate the customized automation. Let's see it in action. Similar to the template setup results, the auto response was sent as expected, triggered by my chosen keyword. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.